Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add MetaMask extension in your Google Chrome. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for the MetaMask in the Google, and now right after that you will be able to see a link at top on the screen where you need to click on that option, and now you will be redirected to the official page of the MetaMask where you can see the download option at the top right corner of this screen. So simply click on that option, and now you'll be redirected to the download page where you can see three download options: Chrome, iOS and Android. Simply select the Chrome and scroll a little bit down, and you can see the install MetaMask for Chrome. So just tap on that option, and now you'll be redirected to the Chrome web store page where you can see add to Chrome option at the right side. So just click on that option, and now click on add to extensions, and you'll be able to add MetaMask extension successfully. So basically this is how you can add MetaMask extension in Google Chrome, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, click into the comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.